Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authorize Bank of America sign in with biometric options, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, visit your device's app store. Log in using your user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu icon, usually located at the top left corner. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. Look for the option labeled Biometric Login or Fingerprint/Face ID. Toggle the switch. You may be prompted to verify your identity again, so enter your password if required. Follow any on-screen instructions to set up your biometric features. If you're using Face ID, position your face within the frame. If you're using fingerprint recognition, follow the on-screen steps to scan your fingerprint. Once your biometric data is registered, exit the Settings menu. Next, log out of your Bank of America account. When you return to the app, tap on the login screen. You should see an option to use your fingerprint or Face ID to sign in. Select the biometric option you set up earlier. If prompted, scan your fingerprint or face. After successful recognition, you will be logged into your account. You can now enjoy quick access to your Bank of America account with biometric authentication. For any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.